Stridor is the high-pitched noise that is produced by turbulent airflow through obstructed airway. The extrathoracic airway has got a tendency to collapse during inspiration and to expand during expiration. So, whenever there is an obstruction in the extrathoracic airway, it gets exacerbated during inspiration and gets better during expiration. That is why inspiratory stridor is seen in extrathoracic obstruction, whereas in case of intrathoracic obstruction, what happens is that due to the negative intrapleural pressure, the intrathoracic airway expands during inspiration and collapses during expiration. It is an expiratory stridor that is produced by an obstruction in the intrathoracic airway, whereas a biphasic stridor is seen when there is an obstruction at the level of subglottis and cervical trachea. Why is it so?